What's going on, guys? We're going to take a look at the SPY. We're going to get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be the 13th of September. So let's go ahead and mark out some levels so we can go ahead and make some money day trading the SPY. So we know we have some numbers coming out tomorrow. With that being taken into consideration, today was not a bad day in the overall markets. A little slow at times, but overall very, very good day. We were up 1% on the SPY at 410.97 close and up $4.37. So what I'm looking at here is this gap up that we got here over the 100 EMA. So now this gap up over the 100 EMA could get looked to be filled at a later point in time. That would be a price target sitting of around 407. I think that if we do lose this 100 EMA and then we do start to fill this gap, we potentially could come all the way back down here to back test the rising support, which is the 20-day moving average. That is sitting at currently $405.35. Now, that's a look at the downside, so you guys can be prepared. Anything through today's lows, which is $408.65, does have a dollar down, and below 407.50 you do have more room down to 405. So keep that on your charts just so you guys can know and be ready in case anything does sort of take a turn. Now to the top side, we do have some room to climb all the way up to around $415 and $416. All I'm looking for is something very, very simple. We can see this 3-day consolidation that acted as a bit of support here. You can almost see where we closed today. If I kind of just drag my cursor around, we are running into this previous support, which is now resistance. So all I'm looking for on a potential long trade here on the SPY is anything over today's highs of around $411.70. With that, I will look to take this long, buy some call options, and ride this into a potential price target of around 414 to around 416. That's going to be the area where I'm going to want to collect those profits, or depending on my position sizing, I got to see how I feel. If I go in a little bit more heavier on my size, I'm not necessarily going to need that 3-4 point move. I could take some profits off the table a lot sooner and just kind of leave a runner in that situation. Our macro resistance is going to be 417.30. Anything over 417.30 does start a new trend and a new cycle back up to 426, which is the 200-day moving average. Again, just keep that in mind. It's not going to come all in one day. Now, crazier things have happened, but the trade we are looking for to the long side is 411.70 into this 414, 415 area. I hope that makes sense, and I hope you guys kind of got some value out of that. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my Discord as well. That link is down in the description box below. If you guys are also interested in learning how to trade futures, I've been trading futures a lot lately, predominantly the NASDAQ, but I do trade some of the SPY, which is ticker symbol ES, and I will trade some of the minis as well as the micros on that. If you guys are interested in learning how to do that, make sure to check all of the links down in my description box below. We can get you guys all set up to $150,000 of funded capital, so that way you don't have to risk your own money. As long as you understand risk management and you understand how to trade and have a strategy and build out some rules, you will do very, very good.